Dangote ṣọ́ra májọ̀nba bísínẹ́sì ẹ jẹ́. Primate Ayọ̀délé fi ìran ìkìlọ̀ tó lágbára sílẹ̀ fún Dangote lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn okòwò tó ń ṣe. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà election? Àwọn wo ló máa jáde tó jẹ́ pé bí wọ́n bá jáde ó máa fẹ́ nira o, ó máa fẹ́ lágbára o fún ààrẹ láti lọ fún second term gẹ́gẹ́ bí Primate Ayọ̀délé ṣe sọ. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ni àwọn ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ kí election tó wáyé? Nígbà tí election bá parí, ẹ̀wọ̀n nǹkan bẹ́nu fọ́nrán yìí ó, kí ni wọ́n sọ nípa Akpabio? Primate Ayọ̀délé ní kó ṣọ́ra o. Ìkíni ìdí tí bàbá yìí ṣe ní wípé kó múra o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìlera. Eléyìí lágbára àwọn ADC. Ṣé kìí ṣe pé DC máa pín ká? Ṣé kìí ṣe pé wọ́n máa fọ́ pẹ́pẹ́? Ṣé kìí ṣe pé wọ́n máa pín sí mẹ́rin? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ wò báwo ló ṣe máa ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Ọ̀rọ̀ meningitis máa jáde o, wọ́n ló ń bọ̀ o. Wọ́n ló ń bọ̀ o. Ibo ni next governor Èkó ti máa jáde? Primate Ayọ̀délé ló fọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn èèyàn wa. Kí ni wọ́n ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Amẹ́ríkà? Ṣé lóòótọ́ ni pé wọ́n máa fẹ́ bọ́ọ̀mù base Amẹ́ríkà? Ẹ sì ti mọ gbogbo ohun tó ń lọ láàrin China, Russia àti Amẹ́ríkà. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, nǹkan bẹ́nu fọ́nrán yìí ó ké pọ́pọ́ o. Primate Ayọ̀délé ló fi àwọn ìran yìí sílẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ gbóhùn tó sọ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́.
Dangote, don't let them spoil your business for you. Another accident is coming up that will kill several, and they will now begin to fight Dangote by people who just revolt against him. Dangote, I don't know. God have never told me that you are using this for ritual. He told me, I will say it too. But Dangote must be careful. If it happens again, people will revolt seriously, and it can dent the image of the company. All right? There are 3 people that must not come out who can create problems for Tinubu. The day they come out, by 1st of October, if Tinubu is going to be re-elected, he will know. 1st of October. He will even know by himself. Then we have to pray violence within the election and after the election. Violence. If Tinubu wins, they'll say, no, it's a lie, it's rigging, it's that, it's this, it's blah, blah. That's why you have to put the right person as an INEC chairman. If you put Mago person there, it will sell you out. Investigate physically and spiritually, intelligently. Who will be your INEC chairman? Don't put your person there. And I think say this, Akpabio, you won't get second term. Go and pray for your health. Akpabio can collapse and be incapacitated. Watch your health, Akpabio. I repeat again, watch your health, Oga Senate President. And some people you depend on, you are offending them. They will soon remove your seat. Tinubu, watch on this. The ADC, there is going to be fraction among you. You are still going to fight yourself because of you won't have that understanding. Betrayal of those people you call your stakeholders. When they don't get the result, then they will begin to fight. I still repeat, ADC is going to be a serious threat for APC. So don't think that they are PDP. PDP cannot get anything. They can't. That these people, the APC, they are very serious. They are very serious. This is also a very important thing. Meningitis is coming. Meningitis. The government must watch. Minister of Health, states by states, Commissioner for Health, state by state, should watch about meningitis. Meningitis. Let them watch out on this. It will come up anytime from now, anytime. Next governor in Lagos State will come out from Korodu. The next governor in Lagos State is coming from Korodu. I don't know, maybe it's senatorial, but that assist. That's when the next governor will come up. The following HOS, head of service of these following states you pray very well: Ogun State, Oyo State, Abia State, Cross River, Kaduna, Sokoto. Please pray for yourself. That is the message. Pray for yourself. American base will be attacked. American base will be attacked. And the American embassy, they must be very careful so that a car will not ram into the premises of American embassy in Africa. Let them watch.
tó òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yìí o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí lè ròyìn lórí gbogbo ètí Primate Ayọ̀délé sọ yìí? Èwo nínú àwọn ìran yìí ló jọ yín lójú, ló ṣe yín ní kàyéfì tí ẹ̀ ń retí bó ṣe máa jẹ́? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ wẹ̀ dá sí ẹ drop comment yín. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching. Náà lọ fún ìpolówó ọjà pé WhatsApp number page.
tẹ́ ẹ bá lè rí àmì ṣe, gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín, iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù. Kí lè nǹkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ? Ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà, ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì, arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì. Olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín. Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ́ ń là kọjá yẹn òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí. Kí nìkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni, lórí ọmọ ni, lórí iṣẹ́ ni, níbi gbogbo ni, bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le, ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa. Kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan? Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ òun náà ni +234 7025 475427 +234 7025 475427. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù, ẹ máa rí ìyanu.